very good toilet, and we are so happy. And it's just cool.
Pull the nozzle up. Pull the nozzle up and then shut it off real quick. No, Willow. Yeah.
You guys, we just got our bathroom that's in the garage installed today, and that's pretty stinking exciting because now we actually have a shower, a sink, and a toilet to use. No more porta-john. We can send that joker back and save the $85 a month, which is great. And we can maybe stay here if we need to over the weekend or whatnot, just to, you know, have the luxuries of water and a shower and a toilet are pretty wonderful, and it feels great. We're really excited about it. And one of those interior doors is going on. We also got garage doors this week, so that's super exciting. Now we are fully locked up and fully private. Y'all, I have lost our doorknobs. Yes, the ones I've already had key to like half of the ones that go to like the bedroom, the bathroom, the closets. Gone. Don't know where they are. Lost them. So that's pretty disheartening. Now I've got to get, I think, 4 of them rekeyed to make sure they match the 2 that we already have that are on, that are keyed right. We put some cheap ones on some of the doors just so they wouldn't get messed up and so we could lock it up after the drywall was in, but I don't know where they are. We've looked everywhere that we had stuff in storage, and some of them were in our storage building, some were not. So I don't know if I didn't lock it up tight, and they were right there at the entrance. So somebody, if I didn't get the bar in right and get it locked good, they could have gotten in and maybe grabbed those, but I don't know why they would grab those and not anything else. But they're missing. And I went to Lowe's, and you know, things are scarce right now. So I was afraid that I wouldn't have ones to match what I needed. And so I went to Lowe's last night and bought everything again to the tune of like $360 for the ones that we didn't have. So I'm really hoping that they turn up so I can return some of those doorknobs. It just started raining here. It's a very, very light rain, and I'm hoping it'll hold off to that. But it just started raining, and I have one board left that goes on the exterior that I've been staining. I stained it, but I need to poly it. And then there are 7 other boards that are drying from the poly. So I'm really hoping that things will hold off and I can get it dry enough to where I can at least apply that one last coat of poly and not mess up anything that I've done. It seems like the storm's going around us. It's thundering in the background. So crossing my fingers and saying my prayers that it's going to hold off. Jason did manage to beat the clock in order to get the porch roof done today, so we officially have our front porch completed. Now we can finish the siding around the front door and move on across the front. The back porch and the side porch, which are basically our deck, they're going to wrap completely around together. That's going to be a whole lot larger process and longer process to get those built. But it's essentially going to look just exactly like the front porch except for a shed roof. But you'll still see those exposed timbers. It's going to be more like a timber frame. So you'll see the exposed timbers, and then when you look up, you'll see those and the middle, which is one reason why I'm working so hard to stain all these boards, so it gives it a more finished look without having to add beadboard or tongue and groove boards to actually finish out a ceiling. And then we're going to run more of an industrial look, so when we do run electrical, it will be like encased in the metal, kind of like you might see in a shop or someone's garage or basement at some point, but it's an industrial feel, so the lights will still be there. We'll have a light in the center of this porch, and we'll have lights throughout and some ceiling fans on the wrap porches.
I didn't make it. The rain got me, so I moved on inside. All in all, it was a good day, and as the night begins to fall, it's time to bring things to a close.